then. Yeah. Mommy wants to see you both. Okay, keep playing. Oh, good, he says. He likes when you throw it anywhere. He just likes playing with you. Don't throw it at him.
But he likes that.
I know, he's a little crazy baby. Oh, he got right in the head.
Now I found out myself.